here it sits, guys. Here we have carrots, chopped carrots, then spring onions, and over here we have green bell peppers also chopped. Peppers that we're going to be using. I'm going to avoid using tomatoes as much as I can. So these are abnormal pepper like atarudo. I have just few of them there here where I have more of these long peppers that are not usually peppery. I think whether they call it bawa or shombo or thereabout. So yes, these are what we're going to use, and we're going to couple this with onion.
Okay, so here is the pan. The pan is a double-sided grill pan. You are just going to put it on your gas or firewood or charcoal or whatsoever. So here is the meat. I cut them into small chunks, and so I just spread them over inside the pan. You can use any side of the pan to cook. It's double-sided. You can get it where they sell, maybe you can get it maybe on Jumia or online, or where they sell cooking stuff. Now this is the pepper. Please do not blend your pepper smoothly. Do not blend your pepper smoothly. Do not blend your pepper smoothly. So you just spread the pepper over on top of the meat. Alright, so this is Cameroon pepper. I didn't use too many spices or dramatic stuff, sincerely. I just used the things that were available. So I just spread the Cameroon pepper on top of it, and I later added more Cameroon pepper as I was cooking it because I wanted it to be more, more hot or more spicy. Here is bay leaf. So I'm just going to use just one bay leaf. Please, I beg you, don't use too much of bay leaves in your cooking. It's going to make it to be concentrated, and that's going to make it bitter. So one leaf or two leaves per cooking is enough. The next is the salt. So I'm just going to spread the salt over on top of it. I think the black thing that was in the salt was the remnant of the Cameroon pepper in my hand. Here is my seasoning cube. I'm using Maggi, so I'm just going to sprinkle that over on top of it. And next is my onions. I didn't blend the onions with the pepper, so I'm just going to put them on top of it. I intentionally cut the onions in a ring or circular form. I just wanted it like that. Yeah, so I just spread the onions on top of it, and my diced green peppers or green bell peppers, I added that on top of it, plus the diced carrots that I showed you guys earlier when we started. And the next thing is water. So it's water. So please do not add a lot of water at once. Add your water gradually. So if it's not enough, you can add more. And to check when it's done, just keep tasting the meat to see if it's soft enough to your taste. And so this is going to be on fire, and you see how it is cooking. Like, oh my days, how can you even taste it through this screen? So you keep tasting it to see if it's soft enough as you want it. It's you guys, it's time. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Asun is ready. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you guys, this tastes like lit and bomb. Like, it tastes so nice. Like, I'm not even going to lie, I later added some scent leaf, and that added to, like, it's now smelling like pepper. So Lord, how am I going to give you guys a taste? Like, it is great. Like, I want this one. I was supposed to put oil, but I forgot. It's now that I'm remembering I was supposed to put oil. But I think, oh, oops. Anywho, I forgot to put oil.
So now I'm just going to sprinkle green onions in it. Yeah. So yeah. So our homemade asun is ready. Oh, is ready like this is good, this is good, this is good. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can see that making your asun is not difficult. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and don't forget to anticipate my next video. And if you try out yours, please ensure that you let me know. Just send me a message through my Instagram, through my Facebook, and just let me know how it comes out. Until next time, you guys, take care of yourselves. Bye.